I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. How to change the Google Chrome language. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google. So you may currently understand the language Google Chrome's in and you want to it. Alternatively, you don't understand it, which does make it a bit harder. Don't worry, I'll guide through what you need to do. So once you're in Chrome, you need to go and head to the top right. There you go and see 3 dots, which can click on, and you can then come down the list and go and locate the option for settings, and you can go and click there. Yeah. On the settings page, you need to come over to the left and go to find the option for languages. You can go and identify that as it's got the languages icon, and it's in this sort of a second section. Here, go and click on it. At the top you go and have the languages section. If the language you want to go and use isn't currently in this list, you need to click the Add button in the top right of the Select and click Add and change Chrome to. You could click 3 dots to the right and click Display Chrome in this language, the top option. Press Relaunch and that's. You can see the language has changed.